మా ఫాదర్ ఎప్పుడు చెప్తా ఉంటాడు, అరే money wise you require to take care, you require to take care like Anna. I told multiple times, from our birth we are not rich. Okay, we are donating, we are helping the people. We are donating, we are helping the people. Is there any our level got reduced? Like nothing. Then why you have to worry? Like just I'm trying to convince my father. Okay, so okay, he helping others. I'm not objecting, but take special care. Don't do something like dubara kind of activity. Like he's going to alert me. He's going to warn me. Then he's always using one word. I told multiple times in our sessions. అరే దుర్గా, డబ్బులు లేకుండా వెళ్ళి ఒక టీ తాగిరారా. Without having the money, can you please go to the road and have one cup of tea and let me know? This is the common word my father is always going to use. మనీ లేకుండా ఒక 10 రూపాయలు టీ తాగిరా, రోడ్డు మీదకి వెళ్ళి ఒక 10 రూపీస్ టీ తాగిరారా అంట. వితౌట్ హ్యావింగ్ ద మనీ, కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ గో అండ్ టేక్ ఏ కప్ ఆఫ్ టీ అండ్ లెట్ మీ నో. లైక్ హ్యావ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్, రైట్? అఫ్ కోర్స్. సో కన్సిడర్ ద పాజిటివ్ వర్డ్స్ is a caution about the money. Okay, the positive words from this. Okay, like really in our lives, in our life, in our not only in our generation, but next generations, previous generation, everywhere, money play the very important role. I told right my stories in the last session somewhere. But what struggle? Of course, I felt very happy to have such a type of wonderful, beautiful memories because then only I can see the value of the money. Okay, like so. Compulsory money wise you require to take care. So in money wise, if you want to take care, one fundamental thing you require to take care. What is that one fundamental thing you have to take care is savings. Remember that compulsory savings. So whether you are doing any other money related activity or not, I don't want to worry about that. Okay, at least one compulsory activity you require to do is savings.